अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, दिस इज़ मोहम्मद कासिम। क्या आप लोग जर्नलिंग करते हैं? अगर नहीं करते तो अब करने शुरू कर दो, बिकॉज जितनी भी ये टेंगल्ड थाट्स होती हैं ना, जर्नलिंग करने से सीधी हो जाती हैं। एंड जब थाट्स सीधी हो जाएं तो समझ में आने लग जाता है सब कुछ, और जब समझ में आने लग जाए तो क्लैरिटी आती है, और जब क्लैरिटी आ जाए तो फोकस आता है। गेम सारी फोकस की है, राइट? क्या करो, जर्नलिंग शुरू करो। मैंने भी जर्नलिंग शुरू की थी तकरीबन 2 साल 3 साल पहले। अब तो वैसे रेयर हो गया काफ़ी, कभी कभी लिखता हूँ जब कोई बहुत ही एडवेंचरस दिन गुजरा हो तब लिखता हूँ, और या फिर लाइफ थोड़ी टफ हो गई हो फिर लिखता हूँ। तो मैंने एक जर्नल लिखा था अपने लिए। इट वॉज ऑन द 13th ऑफ दिस मंथ, वेडनेसडे को मैंने लिखा था। सो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू शेयर इट विद यू बिकॉज मुझे लगता है इट इज़ वर्थ शेयरिंग। सो ज़रा ध्यान से सुना। टाइटल है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज टेक सैक्रिफाइसेस, स्टिक इन अ लिटिल मोर। दैट्स द टाइटल। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज टेक सैक्रिफाइसेस, स्टिक इन अ लिटिल मोर। Another realization, another panic, and yet another learning. When you will grow, and when you will be so close to fulfilling one of your biggest responsibilities, things will become difficult. People will make it difficult. It's nature. Things will come out of nowhere and will try to hold you back. There are narcissistic people in the whole world which will push you to react. The moment you react, their purpose will be fulfilled and they will take your control. How they take your control? They take your control by imposing hate in your head. They take control by denting your vision. These are the real enemies. They are narcissists. They are mean. Your success will remind them their failure. They'll take it like that. They will lobby against you. They will come after you and they will try to break you. But you need to keep moving. Move fast. Faster. Try to understand them to the core so you control them without them knowing. You know what's going to be the next steps. Winners stay one step ahead. Always. Winners never give up. Winners stay. Winners play long game. Winners don't run. Winners don't quit. And winners always complete what they start. Don't let anyone else's rubbish ruin the vision you have. Hate is a powerful emotion and it consumes people, but it should not consume you. It should consume the other party. Don't keep or store the anger in you. It's destructive. So how do we get rid of it? How do we get rid of hate? Forgive. When you will keep practicing it, you will be able to forgive people on the go. And this is where the real happiness is. Forgiveness. You are love. You are an empath. You are a healer. You are a teacher. You are a learner. Don't change. Just stay like that. You don't have to change. The world will adopt some of you and will reject most of you. Try to stay happy in less. Minimalism is even valid in your emotional dependency with others. Learn, always learn, and you will find your way out. And try to forgive. More you forgive, more you excel in any field of life. But when you react, you are engaged in negativity. Once you are engaged, this is where the hater win, and it will take you a lot of time to get out of it. तो ये मैंने नोट टू सेल्फ लिखा, जर्नल था, मेरी फीलिंग्स ही थी, and I just wrote them down and I found clarity. यू गाइज नो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज़ क्लैरिटी. तो जर्नलिंग शुरू करें, डायरी लिखा करें. It will really help you. I'll see you in any of the next video. Take care.